Hello everybody. Welcome to Channel Intellect Up. Let's do a brain workout and play a quiz. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Good luck, friends. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which are the only birds known to be capable of flying backwards? It's hummingbird. Question number 2. What food do giant pandas normally eat? It's bamboo. Question number 3. What is the biggest shark in the ocean? It's whale shark. Question number 4. What is the smallest bone in the human body? It's staps. Question number 5. What is the only fruit to have seeds on the outside? It's strawberry. Question number 6. Which of these is the fastest fish? It's sailfish. Question number 7. Which is the tallest animal in the world? It's giraffe. Question number 8. Chardonnay, Malaga, and Merlot are all types of which fruit? It's grape. Question number 9. What is the largest type of big cat in the world? It's tiger. Question number 10. Which of these gems is the color red? It's ruby. Thanks for watching, friends. How many questions were answered? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and put like on video. Let's develop together.